Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1204, and today's topic is the senior citizens should talk more to keep their brain healthy. So talk more and work less is a latest finding, and I have gone through some of the interesting research publications, and in that publication they have discussed about the mental and physical health of retirees, means after the retirement, and that is after the age of 60 and 70. They are known as senior citizens. So it is very interesting to know that most of these senior citizens, they suffer mental and physical health. More specifically, the mental health. They will be having dementia, means short memory loss, Alzheimer's, that is long memory loss, then anxiety, depression, some psychological aging process. And we know very well that aging is natural. Everybody is going to face the same situation. So once we are alert from very beginning, we can have normal aging process with good mental health as well as physical health. Nowadays, lot of research is there, and even I delivered some almost 6 lectures on mental health, emotional health, neuroplasticity, and linking of the neuron cells, how to improve, how to have more and more wiring and networking of our brain cells, neuron cells. All these I have already discussed about the mental health. But this one is only for retirees and very senior people. So please give chance, is my request to all youngers. Give chance to your grandfather, grandmother, senior citizens to talk more and more. Because once they are talking means two things are involved. That is, thought process is there, and then language programming is there. So both are active once they are talking. First, they are thinking, whatever they will talk, that thinking process comes in action in the form of language, words. So in that case, directly and indirectly, their brain is activated. And the networking of brain is also there. And some of the brain hormones like serotonin, dopamine, and some nitrogenous brain neurochemicals are produced, and that will keep alert and healthy brain. And also, once senior citizens are talking, I used to joke with my Nigerian colleagues here. They are in the position of authority or in sometimes VC and DVC. I used to sit with them, and they used to joke with me. Professor Khan, you believe in gossip? I said yes. Not only you should also believe in gossip. And you should spend some at least 1 hour time every day sitting with your loved one, with your good friends, where you are very frank, very free, and you can talk at any length. That is mental tonic. That will protect you from memory loss, from your brain degeneration. And today there are a lot of publications. This I used to tell them that gossip is mental tonic, and they used to laugh. And this is reality today, because there are a lot of research publications, especially for senior citizens, that if they want to keep mentally healthy, physically they are already doing some exercise, walking, and sometimes they are going to gym, and some of the instructors, physiotherapists are there and they are taking care. But in the case of senior citizen, many of them, they are not taking care of their mental health. And not only senior citizens, even among youngs, most of the people, they give emphasis only on physical health, adding the muscle power, muscular power, going to gym and doing lot of heavy weight lifting or jogging, a lot of things, sweating is all physical exercise. Mental exercise means your brain cells, your neuron connectivity should multiply, should be intact. How to keep them healthy? Brain cells. So that is only possible when you do some creative work, when you sit and talk and relax with your friends. That is your, type of, I can say, tonic, or is type of energy which will activate your neuron cells, brain cells. And we have trillions of cells in our body, and some of the recent publications in their study, they have clearly mentioned that your thought process, your feeling is very important. If you always keep sad, negative feeling, sitting in isolation, not mixing with people, not laughing, not joking, not sense of humor, you are killing yourself mentally. And if you are following the same type of lifestyle, then definitely you are on the road of memory loss and Alzheimer's. So to keep your healthy brain, first, speaking, gossiping, talking, sharing lot of sense of humor with your grandchildren, with your children, with your loved ones will activate your brain cells and will keep your brain healthy. Second, those people in 60 and 70 age group, they have maximum chance of facial paralytic attack. Means their face and all these muscles sometimes may be unsymmetrical or deformed. And then you have to rush to doctor because of nerve problem. So once you are talking more and more, it is a physical exercise to your facial muscles, your eye muscles, optical nerve, your ear muscles and ear blood flow. So once you are talking, on your face, whatever is attached is getting more and more blood supply, more and more oxygen, and that is more and more exercise. So talking will keep your face muscles healthy, glowing face. Your eye will be healthy. It will, give the chance to your eye to have more blood supply, and also your ear. And if you are talking, joking and sitting and in a relaxed mood, your trachea is also becoming more and more strong. And one publication mentioned that talking is very important tool to improve the capacity of your lung. It will improve the capacity of your spongy lung muscles. So it has lot of benefit. And also once you are talking, your stress level of your brain will be drastically reduced, and in your brain there are a lot of rubbish you are keeping, you are dumping, and that one is making you always tense, always in tension. And once you are talking, whatever is buried your negative thinking, your you can say in negative way to how to take the revenge from your enemies, from your neighbor or from anybody, will be drastically reduced, so your brain will be healthy. And also in the research paper, it is very clearly mentioned that out of trillions of cells, each cell at nano level, they are communicating. They have their individual lifestyle. Each cell is not only your cell in your body. So whatever signals they are getting from your brain, it is communicated to trillions of cells, and in the same way the reaction is coming from trillions of cells. So if you start believing in something, your all trillion cells will start in the same way to believing in that thing. If it is positive, they all will be positive. If it is negative, they all will be negative. And that is the advantage what many people are taking in India and even in African countries. That is called placebo effect. Placebo effect means that is, if you give any rubbish and you say that this will cure your cardiovascular disease, your diabetic, your asthma, and they will start believing. Once they believe, their cells will also believe that yeah, we are healthy, and they become healthy. It's a latest research. It's very important research, a placebo effect. So if you, and it has been given in some of the research papers, then some people were seriously sick. Even they were suffering from cancer, and doctor said that within 6 months, we are going to die. But they went to some spiritual man. He said, no, I have checked, and you will be there at least for 20 to 30 years. Go and do exercise and keep away from any negative thinking. And after that, when he came to get checked, his cancer, it was zero, a negative test. So that is what he started thinking positively. And that message has gone to his or her trillions of cells to give the positive response of recovery. So this is very, very interesting. Protein chemistry at nano level, and with the help of artificial intelligence, all at chromosome level, genetic material, they are changed, they are mutated because of thinking, because of your brain activity. Your whole chromosome, the genetic material, which is responsible of taking care of lot of activities, they are changed. So these are all very, very important things. So I have given all those one by one point. This I have taken from research publications. So I am going to explain one by one. The point number one is senior citizens should talk more to prevent memory loss. I have already told you enough. If they are talking more, and I am again requesting my senior colleagues, they might be laughing when they will listen my this lecture, that please come, you are welcome, and spend some time to sit with me and gossip and make jokes, and let there be some sense of humor, because friends are the only one where you are very free. You are not free that much even to your son, your daughter, your wife, your father and mother, only friend. And there you can activate your brain cells a lot. And number two, speaking activate the brain and keep brain active. Your all neuron cells will be activated, they will be rewired, they will be reconnected, and there will be more and more neuron connectivity once you are talking more and more. Number three, speaking relieves a lot of stress. Do not bury stress in brain, is very much suffocating. So talking will reduce your stress, and whatever is buried in your brain, 600 gram spongy mass brain, you are tense and you are sweating, all will be over. And I have already told you, again I am repeating, talking means, speaking means to actions are there. One, thought process, and then language programming. Language, in what language you are talking, English, Hausa, Kanuri, Yoruba, Igbo, whatever is there, Margi. So language and thought process, they are coordinating and your brain cells are active. Only then you can communicate and you can talk and lot of gossip. Number 4, speaking activities activates the facial muscles. I have told you just now, facial muscle, all your this area is blood flow, oxygen supply more, and it will be more healthy. Is a good exercise. Your facial muscles increase the capacity of lung, the capacity of throat, healthy, keep eyes healthy and ear healthy. Number 5, always try to learn new skills and stay social. You interact with people, go for new skill, maybe doing some new type of farming, new type of writing, new type of activity, maybe lecturing or some social activities, so that your brain is always active. Keep with your good hobbies. Someone is having the hobbies of reading or writing, gardening. Some of you are having the hobby of keeping some good animals, pet animals. So keep on. Then maintain daily routine work. This is very important. Once you are maintaining your daily routine work, means you are getting up in the morning. For example, in myself, when I will get up in the morning, I will go to kitchen, I will prepare my own coffee or tea, whatever I like, and I am very comfortable. There where I am not doing this work, I feel that I am missing something. So after that, I will go to department, some students are coming. So this practice, routine work is going on since last 40 years. So in case, if I stop this routine work, it means I am going to give negative signal to my brain cells, and your brain cells will not be comfortable. So your feeling will not be comfortable and you will feel hopeless. There will be feeling of hopelessness. So please maintain a routine work, and even I will advise, this is also given in the research publications, whatever profession you have, if suppose somebody is given some incentive to change from your routine work of academic and go and join some politics, where lot of pull and push is there, you will be fed up and you will die. So continue with your profession and with your routine work. Number 7, improve your sleep and always keep hydrated. This is I have mentioned several times in my lecture. Your lot of problem comes when you are not sleeping for 8 hours, and that is directly going to affect your memory and brain cells. At any cost, don't compromise your sleep, and also sleep should be of good quality, and for that you have to practice in such a way so that you are going to retire to your bed. Make sure that your bed and that area is dark and you are free of all the electronic gadget, all this, so that you can get sleep quickly. And always, before you go to bed, take at least 1 glass or half glass of water, so that the chance of dehydration is less in the night. And always go on drinking little water, so that always you are hydrated. Most of the problem first comes, that is because of dehydration, and many people, they don't understand. So even if you don't feel thirsty, just take little water. Then number 8, aging can impact your psychology. Age is number, 70, 80, and once you are above the 60, 70, lot of psychological pressure is there. Your grandchildren, your children, all and give the impression that you are too old to do this, you are too old to go and perform this. Please don't allow psychological stress and strain to your brain cells. Just forget about the negative thinking, and I call it psychological age. Just once you are taking care of all these factors, forget about the psychological impact, that is the feeling of hopelessness, anxiety, depression, and out get out of such type of negative feelings. Number 9, eat healthy. It's also very important in the last but not least. Add such type of food or diet which are very rich in antioxidants, and most of the vegetable and fruits, they are antioxidant, and add omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3 fatty acid antioxidants are very, very important for your healthy brain to keep away from your dementia, from Alzheimer's, from memory loss. Because once you are taking lot of antioxidants, it is going to reduce drastically the production of free radicals in your brain. So your brain will not be under oxidative stress, and oxidative stress is main cause of memory loss. So once you are keeping on good diet, where your diet is rich in antioxidants and rich in omega-3, your lot of animal products, lot of vegetables, they are rich in omega-3 fatty acid. So once again, on the basis of all these research papers, their studies, I wish that all of us should go, especially those who are above 60, 70, to join our old friends, sit and talk more and more, and gossip and sense of humor, so that we are healthy from our mental point of view, and our brain is healthy and active. Once again, thank you very much for watching the lecture.